It is Wednesday, October 16th, 2019. It's 10:05 in the morning here in Arizona. Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. First of all, this is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. See disclaimer in the video description. Let's get to it. This is what I'm pondering today. We're at 8K. Are we going to go down towards 4 or up towards 10? Well, let's start at the beginning. Last 24 hours, Tether into Bitcoin 1.64 billion, Tether into Ethereum 1.27 billion. It's a good little bit more than I usually see into Ethereum. Also note that EOS is showing up at 272 million and XRP at 240 million. So also Litecoin at 191 million. So a little bit more into Ethereum than I usually see, and EOS and XRP are definitely starting to show up as far as Tether into crypto. Looking at Bitcoin into Ethereum at 483 million, Bitcoin into Litecoin at 251 million, and why not? Bitcoin into XRP at 147 million, and Bitcoin into EOS at 81 million. And forget Bitcoin Cash, I don't like it. Now, let's look at real market cap, 143 billion for Bitcoin, and real volume last 24 hours is 341 million. The S&P 500 today is having a red candle so far, but well above the 200 moving average, and the MACD is still positive. The Russell 2000. Today we're having a green candle. Maybe we'll break that 200 moving average on the daily, and the MACD is positive. Bitcoin dominance today is at 68.59%. Altcoin market cap 65 billion, and it's a red candle today. Shorts versus longs. This is summarizing Bitfinex and BitMEX. Longs are at 509 million. And shorts are at 312 million. So people still have some faith in a break up. Now, looking at Bitcoin on the daily. We've got a current price. We are under 8K. Interesting, huh? So we are, of course, below the 200 moving average on the daily. We are above the 21-week EMA on the daily also. That's the purple dotted line here. And then the up here, the dotted line, this one up here, that is the 50 MA. So really, we're under the 50 MA, we're under the 21 weekly EMA, and we are under the 200 moving average. So my biggest concern really is the 200 moving average, and if we look, we're under it, we're still breaking lower. RSI is moving down. This is the daily chart. MACD, though, is still positive, but as we can see here, we have our histogram was opening, and now it's beginning to close. So, you know, the MACD right now is pointing down. I forget the name for that technically, but when you tilt down like that with the MACD, that's usually definitely not bullish. That would be bearish. So the histogram's closing, and the MACD is the fulcrum. What do they call it? Anyway, it's tilting down. It's not tilting up. So the MACD is moving towards the signal, and the histogram is closing. So that could turn around very quickly, but we are seeing, in my opinion, a weak daily chart right now. Now, here's something I've been pondering. This is a 4-hour chart going back to the beginning of the year. And if we look, we've got support and resistance here at 8K, around 8K roughly. So we have support resistance on the chart, and of course we also do have here on the volume indicator a lot of buy and sell volume there. We tend to move where we've had, of course, support and resistance and buy-sell volume. So if we don't stay here at 8K, where are we going? Well, down here at 4K, there's definitely a lot of buy-sell buy-sells, and we also have a lot of support and resistance on the chart. But also above, we have a lot of support and resistance right around 10K, and definitely we have buy and sell volume there. As we can see, if I move that, you can see definitely there's some buy and sell volume there. So right now we have a weekly daily, and it's just been getting weaker the last day or so. And so we're going to make a break. Is it going to be up or down or continue going sideways? I'm not really sure. but that's what I'm seeing. So let's see where that break takes us. On a very, very small time frame, the 45-minute chart. This is the ADI or ADX as it's known, the white line here. So it's white trend line. So something I notice is that when on the very small time frames, especially like 45 minutes, when you have the price going down and then you have the ADI going up, that's really velocity. So when the ADI and the price start to have arrows that are aiming at each other, like they're going across, that to me is usually a sign of immediate weakness. So take that for what it may be. So my overall look at Bitcoin right now is, hopefully it can get some momentum going sideways, or probably see another dump, maybe a pump. I don't know. It's really hard to tell what it's going to do. All we really can be sure of is what it's doing right now. But I would say for me, I'm being very cautious in my out trading, and I am basically just waiting to see what Bitcoin is going to do. Big news! Hey, I was on Crypto Love's YouTube channel. So that's me over there. I'm Greg, and that's Crypto Love there on the right. And he interviewed me. I'm usually interviewing people. Well, anyhow, you can just Google or just go into YouTube and just search Crypto Love if you don't already follow him. And this was us just talking about crypto and groovy stuff. If you want to have some fun, have a listen. It was fun. This is a new exchange that I've been checking out. It's just called Level, LVL. I'll link in the description about this. What I like is that it doesn't seem to be available in my state, at least in Arizona yet. Maybe it's available in yours. But really, all the trading you want to do for $9 a month, this is a place that I might go to for my the Bitcoin that I swing in and out during MACD, positive and negative, on the daily. If it was strictly $9 a month, that would actually save me some dough, because those fees you get when moving, Bitcoin in and out in the MACD, if you have a good chunk of HODL, well, that gets expensive. Anyhow, check it out, sign up, see when it goes active in your area. They also have a cool crypto to currency debit card. Here's a little thought: stay on that grind for too long, and eventually you'll turn to dust. So that's something Andrew Martin said here on Facebook. He's a pretty wise character. So, have you been grinding at crypto? Do you feel like you're making fine espresso that you're going to take a shot of with all that grinding? Or are you just turning to dust? Are you burning out? Well, there's an answer. Regardless of what the market is doing, whether Bitcoin is happy or Bitcoin is not. I've been a member of Blockchain Education for 2 years, really over 2 years now, I think. And whether Bitcoin is positive, negative, happy, unhappy, whether it's alt season or not, I can make money. And how do I do it? Really following the calls and the signals here at Blockchain Education. There's a link in the show notes. There's a slight discount you can get if you sign up through that. You'll find me, and I'm a full member, so you'll find me in the chat as Cowboy Craig. Come say hi. You can also sign up for a bit less for signals, which are just signals you have to enter manually, but this is a great experience to be a part of. Whether you're making money, not making money, already a pro, or strictly a beginner who doesn't even know how to do TA, if you hop on to Blockchain Education, sit back, grab some popcorn and a beverage of your choice, and watch just a couple hours of videos, and you'll have a really powerful methodology for trading crypto that works in any market: positive, negative, bear, bull, alt season, not alt season, doesn't matter. There's a video right here. If you click on the link, that's kind of a nice infomercial about it. I'm a member. It's helped me stay positive and on track during this, during the bear market that I guess we're coming out of. And hey, I'm looking forward to the market going up or down, because I make money regardless. So join Blockchain Education. Come hang out. I'd love to see you there. Now, as always, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps get the message out. I'll be here again tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.